And,
These are really beautiful.
These are my babies. Yes.
All 4 through 19 of them.
Yes, they're my babies. I love them.
Hi everyone, I am very excited because I have a lot of knitting needles here and I have someone by the name of Alexis, hello, of My Two Ladies. I actually met Alexis at a bar and you told me this amazing story about your knitting needles.
An adjustable needle, that's what I named it, okay? And I know it looks like a circular at first, but it's not. It's really 2 straight needles. I was making a gigantic king size blanket. I tried straights, I tried circulars, but neither one of those work. So I was at my neighborhood studio, knitting studio, where I go there like 3 times a week. The 2 ladies that owned it were there. I was like, this can't be. I can't do this. Alexis, we have like 100 years of knitting between the both of us. There's nothing you can do about it. I took some tools and I just made it. I don't know where the idea came from. It popped in my head. I don't have any experience with engineering or anything like that. Think about this. You have a big blanket or a big shawl, or just, it doesn't have to be bulky. It could be just something that has a lot of stitches.
Like a shawl.
A shawl.
Easy,
yes,
with like
with
our
a
shawl and a ball, right? I know you all like shawl and a ball.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll ask you to cast on 100 stitches.
Yes, and
perfect example.
Exactly. You have to keep reaching down and pulling your stitches up to the forefront of the needle all the time. But what this does is you can just like keep moving it, so all your stitches are always up at the front. And this also rotates, so it just makes you go quicker.
I have some questions.
Yeah.
First, what sizes do these come in?
Okay, so they come in US size 4 through 19. It's a really nice range. They are great. It's not going to replace your circular, replace your straight, but it's like a 3rd option.
I probably would use these. I'll even knit flat on circulars because I don't like having that crunch on the straight needle.
Exactly.
So, and I like also that this is movable like that circular needle vibe.
Exactly. I made them 7 inches instead of the usual, I think it's 5 inches or 4 inches, because that's the other thing I don't like. I don't like that you don't have enough on your needle.
I love this because I think you've taken something, there's a problem, there is not an answer. I'm going to figure out the answer.
That's exactly what happened.
And then I'm going to preach my answer.
That's exactly
and that is what you were doing right now, and I love that.
Yes.
So now my question is where can they find these needles?
Okay, so I have a website. I have a tutorial on there. And I also have a couple of videos of the way they are handcrafted.
Ooh. How did you come up with the name My Two Ladies?
I knit at this knitting studio with these 2 ladies that are sisters. I love them, and it's more than a knitting studio. It's a family, a dozen of us ladies that never would have met before.
But knitting brought you together.
But knitting brought us together. I have these 2 wonderful ladies that we all love. I would always go in and say, hi, my ladies. My 2 ladies. And this is kind of a
character.
Yes, of what they are. They're 85.
They're sassy.
So this is like my tribute to them. And unfortunately, the one lady did pass away, and it was dreadful for all of us. It really was. It changed my life. Knitting brings people together.
I love everything. I love that you found your love through knitting. I love that you've created this community through knitting. This is your vision, your dream, and you're making it happen.
Thank you.
Well, thank you again so much for joining me and my good friend Alexis and My Two Ladies Knitting Needles. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And Alexis, they can find you on Instagram and Facebook.
Yes.
And you can go to her great, beautiful website with lots of tutorials, the whole 9 yards.
Yes.
It's like an experience. And Alexis, I like to ask everyone a question, but I'm going to let you ask the question.
Well, what I think would be really great, especially since it's a new needle, what do you think is going to be your first project with these needles? What are you going to do with it? So that would
Leave
be
your
fun.
comments below. I'm interested to find out too.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for joining us, guys. Bye.
Bye. We all know Shira likes to receive gifts. So we have this beautiful t-shirt.
Oh my God. Neon,
Enjoy.
yes. Summertime, yes. I love.